that's just for Andrew. Daddy's too big to be in there. That's just for Andrew. That's an Andrew only jump and play. That's right. Mama took your shoes off so you can play in there. Mama did a lot of work so you could play in there. Can you do a flip? Can you do a flip? You flipped backwards, didn't you?
Yeah. That will be fun. You want to join him? Here with me.
I would love to, Andrew, but I'm too big. Daddy's too big to go in there.
I can go there.
Mommy's too big too.
This is just for Andrew.
Too big. You enjoy it in your own.
Yep, when you go to bed, Mommy and Daddy jump in there.
No.
It's too big.
Is it too big?
Yeah.
Can you stand up and just fall on it? Just stand up and just fall. Ready? And fall. Do you do that at Mud Pies?
Yeah.